Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. If this is the first time that you are stopping by, I'm Tina. Welcome. I hope you have a good time here with me today. If you are returning, thank you so much for joining me in another video. All right, today we're doing something a little bit different because we're going to be talking about the Erin Condren LifePlanner launch. Oh my gosh, it's huge. It's their biggest launch of the year and I'm so excited about it. And it's my first time being an Erin Condren affiliate that I am participating in the launch. Now, I did not receive any product this time around, but of course I wanted to make sure that I shared all of the information that I could with all of you. So there is a lot of product that is coming out and it can be a little bit overwhelming and confusing and just that. Really overwhelming. So I wanted to go through everything with you. So I've gathered some images and I'm going to go ahead and talk about all of the new product with you here today. So the first thing I want to talk about is when is the launch. It is Monday. It is April 24th, and that is for EC Insiders. If you are not an EC Insider, you're not sure what that is, it's a rewards program. So it is just a win-win for you to join that if you're going to be purchasing anything. That way you can earn some points and then use that towards future purchases, which I love a good point system, to be quite honest. All right, let's talk about what Erin Condren is bringing us for this release. There are 3 new designs and the first one is Inspire. It is beautiful. It is this just a colorful option for those of you that absolutely want to have the beautiful colors in your planner. Then this is definitely the option for you. The next one is Wildflowers. It's got these beautiful soft pastel colors. It's like a watercolor. It's definitely a little bit softer than what they brought this past release, what I'm currently using right now, which is In Bloom. The next thing I'm really excited about is Canvas. And this is a completely neutral planner. The tabs are a gray. There's no colors at all. So it is perfect for those of us that want to have like a blank slate ready for us to decorate, whether you're using stickers and creating your own designs or if you choose to use kits. All right, let's talk a little bit more about Inspire. It's going to be available in the Life Planner in a 7x9 and an A5 option. It's also available in the Daily Duo in a 7x9 or an A5 option. There will be additional planners with the covers on there, and there will be notebooks. And there is also an A5 Life Planner option. And then Inspire is also available in an undated Spanish version. All right, Wildflowers. This one is available in a 7x9 and an A5, both in the Life Planner option for both of those, as well as the Daily Duo. There is also going to be an A5 option available for you in the ring bound. Canvas, now this one is a little bit more limited. It is only available in the 7x9 option for the Life Planner and the Daily Duo. Unfortunately, it is not going to be available in the A5 in the spiral bound. If you choose to get an A5, then you'd have to get it in the agenda, which is the ring bound. Changes to the A5 ring bound agenda. This is a new cover that they're bringing us. The folio is called Wisteria. That one will come in the compact vertical, the horizontal, and the daily layouts. And those will be available in all 3 designs in the A5. There is also going to be additional inserts that you can add on to the ring agenda system. There's going to be notes you could choose from, meal planning. There will be, I believe, checklists, budgeting. There's a few different inserts. I'm not sure if they've shared all of them with us or not, but if you do purchase 3 or more, then you would save 20% off on the entire system. So that is really nice. So if you want to get like a brand new system in an A5 ring bound, then that is something that you might want to look into. All right, so the next collection I want to talk about is the Focus collection. Now this one is kind of a collection all on its own. There are certain things that it does not have, like the Life Planner has in there, but if you want something that is going to be just very clean, no extra things in there, then the Focus collection might be something you might be interested in. It is only available in a horizontal layout in a 7x9 coiled. There's also an eco coiled option, and then there's also an A5 ring agenda option along with that. It does come with permanent vegan leather covers available. So that's really all the information that I have on the Focused. I don't have as much on that, so I do apologize for that. All right, so let's talk about some of the changes that they are bringing to this launch. To start off with, they have redesigned the vertical hourly layout, and they have changed some things on the sidebar. They have moved the small month at a glance calendar up to the top, and they added some habit trackers there at the bottom at the sidebar. They also went ahead and extended the top of the page, so therefore there is a blank space before the hourly starts at 6 a.m. So those are the changes for the hourly layouts. And the next thing they're bringing us is a multicolor coil. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Now here they're showing it with the Etta V, but I know I saw somebody go ahead and try it with the wildflowers, and that looked really pretty. And then they are also bringing us some new folios. We've got premium zip folios. These are definitely more of a sturdy cover, almost like a canvas feel to the cover, I believe. And they zip completely around. They're the planner will slide in, so you can open the planner up while it is in the folio, which is really nice. And it has a couple of pockets, some places there for pen loops. It's going to come in the 3 different options. So you can get it in canvas, you could get it in the wildflowers, and in the Inspire. And there is going to be some different colors for the base color. There's a black, which I don't have pictured here. There is a light blue, which they did show that, and then there's also a blush color there. So that is really, really pretty. And the back matches the side color. So whatever color you choose as the base, the back of the folio will be that same color. Next thing we are getting is snap-in vegan leather covers. That is so exciting. I've never even tried the permanent ones, so I'm really excited to go ahead and try these, because these you can interchange them and put them on your different planners and notebooks. So that is really, really exciting. And those are going to come in these colors as far as I know. Let's go ahead and talk about accessories. Oh my gosh, so for Inspire, oh my gosh, there are so many accessories for each of the collections, but I really do feel like Inspire has probably the most. So there's a planner folio, there is a planny pack, pencil case, an accordion pouch, there's a couple of bags, there's a pen folio, there's a pens variety pen set, there is a gel pen. The pens are new this year. They have changed them up. They are encased in a vegan leather, so they're supposed to be really nice and soft and comfortable to the touch. And it's a gel pen as opposed to a ballpoint. I think that's what they had before. I don't have any of the pens, but I definitely want to get one at this time because I love gel pens. There's going to be a sticker book, and then you can also get additional sticker pack in either the A5 or the 7x9 size. There's some stationery, there's notepads, interchangeable straps, bookmarks. There is going to be a new 18-month monthly for the petite planner. So that is pretty exciting because that is going to be beautiful in the Inspire. If you like a lot of color, it's really pretty. I just love it. I'm not really into like super colorful, but it's so pretty. I have to get something in the Inspire collection. I'm just not quite sure what. There is going to be washi tape. There are dashboards that are the snap-in, and they are like wet erase. There's sticky notes, and then of course you could buy covers separately. So that's really exciting. Let's talk about accessories that are available in Wildflowers. Now we're pretty much getting the same exact thing that we are getting in Inspire. So we've got the folio, the planner pack, the pen case, the accordion pouch, a couple of different bags. We have a pen option, so pretty. I really want that one. Stickers. There's some list pads. I'm just kind of jumping around. You've got your page markers, so that is always really nice. There's going to be washi, and then you're also going to have like the snap-in to-do lists that are going to be wet erase, and then there is going to be covers that you can get if you just want to purchase covers, and then a sticker sheet. So many things to get and look at. Now the canvas accessories are definitely a little bit more limited. There's not as many, but we do have a planner folio, a case. So the planning pack is not available, but you can get a pen case. You can get an accordion pouch. There's a couple of bags. There is the pen folio, which if you want to keep all of your pens in. I have not seen that. I'm not familiar with that, but it does look kind of interesting. There's stickers available, and then there is also stationery and some, looks like some notepads there, and different covers. Focused accessories. There is a small little bit of accessories there, and it looks like there's some notebooks, some soft bound notebooks, some sticky notes, which I don't have a picture of yet, some washi tape, and then assorted multi-liners. All right, now as far as other items that they are bringing us, there is going to be some additional covers that you can get in these watercolor palms, the tie-dye stripes. That looks really pretty. There's also a watercolor painted prints, watercolor spring day is calling it. I like that one. That one's really pretty. And then there's also some other options with that as far as like stationery and some of the other designs. And then look at this beautiful cover from Etta V, Brilliant Blooms. I love that. I mean, the colors are absolutely stunning, and that would be beautiful. Imagine that with the beautiful colorful coil. Like if you want a colorful coil, that would be so pretty. Oh my goodness. There will be bundles available to purchase as well. So there's going to be an Inspire bundle, and that one looks like, of course, you would get the Life Planner. It looks like washi, some page finders. I'm not sure if that's a notepad, but it looks like there are some pens with that. And then Wildflowers has almost the same thing, I think. Yep, but just in the Wildflowers. There's an Inspire Daily Duo available. So that's nice, a bundle. Ooh, you get the pen with that one. That one looks really pretty. And I'm not sure what that is on the back, if that's like a sticker book or can't really make that out. And I don't have any details on that, but it looks like sticky notes. And then the canvas bundle looks like stickers, stickies, some pens that are actually not part of the canvas line. Those are different pens. And then some different washi. So yeah, I don't know what was going on there, if that's the right picture, if maybe they changed that around. And then there's also, looks like a bundle for an A-ring agenda. And then there's accessory bundles. So if you just want to get, like all of the accessories, that might be something you might want to look into, is getting one of the bundles. So make sure you check those out. All right, so here we have a grid of all of the things that are available. There are so many options to choose from. So they have gone ahead and created this grid to kind of help your shopping experience. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out to me either here on YouTube, or you can reach me on Instagram through DMs there. I will be available for any of your questions that you have during your shopping on Monday and Tuesday. Now, if you are purchasing on Monday, there is a free gift. There's a couple of free gifts that you can get with your purchase. There's a super cute keychain. I love that keychain. It's very, very cute. Now, this is for EC Insiders, April 24th, with all Life Planner purchases. And there are also sticky notes and a holder that go along with that. And if you decide to wait and purchase on the 25th with the general public, then your exclusive gift would include the sticky notes and the holder. Okay, that is everything that I have for you today. Oh my goodness, what a lot of information to go over. As I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Please remember to use my affiliate link. I greatly appreciate your support in that. It is down below in the description. I will also leave it for you in the comment section pinned, so that way it might be a little bit easier for you to find there as well. And I know many of you have used it already, so thank you so much for that. And thank you to those of you that are going to be using it in this launch. If you're not familiar with what an affiliate link is, it is a great way for you to help me out. It does not change your shopping experience. It does not charge you anything extra. It is a way for me to earn a small commission, and that way I can bring you more content in the future. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.